We outside. Let's see what we do with that boy. So turn him loose out here. I'm gonna turn you loose. Brrr. That big old snake. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Creed, you wanna play with the snake? You wanna play with the snake? You don't wanna mess with that snake, do you? No. You don't wanna mess with the snake. Alright, we'll turn him loose right out here in the field. How's everybody? Go on and get. That's a big one. He's 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 a big one. Big one. Big one. Big one. Big one. Big uns. Alright, Creed, you gonna mess with him. He's gonna mess you up. Get him. Go, go. Come on, get your nose in there. Come on, get your nose in here, boy. Get your nose in there. You'll learn real quick what snakes are about. That's what teaching lessons. That's right, called teaching lessons, baby. You don't know what snakes are about, do you? You've never seen one. Now you see one. You learn real quick not to mess with them. Yeah, don't want to mess with snake. No, don't want to mess with that snake. Don't want to mess with snake. Oh boy, he's gonna get you. Creed, you better watch it. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. He'll get you. Don't mess with him. Don't want to mess with him. You pet him, but don't mess with him. Pet him, don't mess with him. That's right. You have to be nice to snakes. Don't be mean, be nice. Alright, buddy, we'll see you later. We'll see you. And bye-bye. We'll see you. Bye-bye.